How to see if you are eligible to pay for a Healy with a health savings account or a flexible spending account. You may be able to pay for the purchase of your Healy with pre-tax dollars. Many of you work for companies that have either a health savings account or a flexible spending account. The most significant difference between flexible spending accounts or an FSA and a health savings account or an HSA is that an individual controls an HSA and allows contributions to roll over, while FSAs are less flexible and are owned by an employer. You can see that many things are covered by a FSA or an HSA. These are common IRS-Qualified Medical Expenses. It is important that you speak with your administrator to see if the Healy can be paid with your HSA or FSA account. This is not to be interpreted as definitive tax information, but a guide based on current available information.